What are the top 3 things that an athlete can do to improve their sleep?
Top 3 things anyone could do to improve their sleep, but in this case an athlete, would be number 1, make sure they shut down blue light in the evening time. So blue light is computers, laptops, cell phones. A lot of athletes, a lot of people, and athletes are younger individuals. I don't see a lot of 70-year-old athletes, right? So younger people right now are on cell phones, they're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, and so they're looking at their cell phone before they go to bed. So when you do that, it emits something called a blue light, which causes our brain to be tricked into thinking it's daytime. That means we're not going to get into the hormonal rhythm that we should be in before sleep, and we're not going to get a deep enough sleep to heal and repair. That's number 1. Number 2, I like to wind down either with some yoga or meditation in the evening time to decrease the sympathetic nervous system and allow the parasympathetic nervous system, which is basically your relaxation center, to start taking over, and that will also help you get into a deeper night's sleep. And the third thing is to drive down cortisol. An athlete, more than any of my patients, tends to have cortisol imbalance or adrenal imbalance, and that's because most athletes that I see have a side job. So not only are they training, whether it's jiu-jitsu, whether it's CrossFit, whether they're triathletes, they're also going and working 40 hours a week. Even if they're working as a trainer in a gym, they're still working. So that combination, that lifestyle, puts a lot of tax on their body, and their cortisol levels will start rising in the evening time. Cortisol decreases natural melatonin synthesis, and melatonin is your hormone that helps you get a great night's sleep. So when the cortisol's up, it blocks your ability to get a deep night's sleep. So my goal is always to drive that cortisol down to allow the athlete or any person to get a healthy, deep sleep. And that's why I came out with my Relax formula. It's totally designed to drive cortisol down, non-hormonally. There's no melatonin in there. There's nothing in there that is, with supplements, I'm not even going to say addictive. There's nothing in there that would cause a dependency. And as it takes that cortisol down, it allows the person to get a healthier, deep sleep. It allows them to naturally produce their own melatonin. And that's why I don't put melatonin in there. I don't want any hormones in there. I want their body to naturally make what they're supposed to make, and then they get the optimal night's sleep. They repair better, and they're ready to do whatever sport they do the next day.